before I get this video started, but today, this was supposed to be a squishy, but I don't know. It's this cute little banana charm. It was supposed to be a squishy. I'm kind of sad, but it's rock hard. So we're just going to open it, and I'll show you it. It is really cute though, guys. So it comes with like a cell phone strap, and then here's the squishy, or here's the banana keychain. I'm gonna call it a squishy, because I thought it was gonna be one. But there is a few different designs that you could get, and I got this one. It's like something like that. I probably look ridiculous doing that. And it has some Japanese writing. I wonder what that says. But it is really cute. It does look like a banana, but not what I expected. And it is so small. Wait, compared to my phone, this is small. I have small hands, so yeah, that's just what I got for today. I know this is a pretty fast video, but I just wanted to quickly show you this, I don't know what it's called, like a keychain thing, cute banana keychain thing. And so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this cute thing. And like and subscribe to Toy World. Bye!